I'm Sage. I'm 15. I ride the 125, 250D class, and Schoolboy or 250, 450. 95 was on and off. It was fun at sometimes, but it mostly just got sandy and dry and rutted. The ruts were pretty nice though. Overall, I liked the track. It was pretty fun. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna come back here, even if it's not for a race or anything, but it's a good practice track, rough conditions. It's good to get out and practice on it. I definitely learned just how to handle bumps and going fast into ruts and stuff like that. Well, definitely come here, give BBMX some support, and yeah, keep riding, train here.